What's up, guys? Happy 4th of July. Man, we just had a major storm just roll through. And it got windy, rain. I rained for about an hour. And it came down pretty hard. I was in the middle of washing Mad Max, and I just kept washing it. Lit was out cutting the grass, and she came in. I mean, it was pretty bad. But I'm just out and about. Gonna walk kind of like around the block here. Show you the neighborhood. And there's some really nice homes here. So here it is, the first walk around the new hood, the new neighborhood. Yeah, you can see the rain here. Still a little drizzle out, but nothing like it was earlier, man. It was coming down hard. Guess they need to cut their grass. Still hear the thunder out in the distance. Rolled in real quick. There's some really nice homes here too. I don't know what that looks like inside, but outside, I know, looks like a gate, right? Looks like a prison. Now this home is really nice. We were told Filipina owns it, and what's the deal? They work in Hong Kong? Japan. They work in Japan, and then they just come here, and when they're back, and stay here in their home. Don't know what's behind that wall. Couldn't tell you. There's a lot here on the right hand side. We were told the owners of the home want to buy this lot. They want to put a swimming pool in there, but the owners of the lot won't sell it to them. There's quite a few lots in here that are well, they're lots. I don't know if they're owned, sold, or what the deal is. I know, nothing really interesting. Just empty lots. There's another lot right in front. Lit was told that the lots are fairly cheap here. I'm just gonna walk here for a second. I'm gonna turn around, but I've seen this is all flooded here. Those purple homes down on the right hand side, though, that's a house too. It's a house and then like another house beside it. I guess like a maid's quarter or something, or an in-law suite or something. I'm not gonna walk through there. This guy will drive through it. Of course, you got the trash. We don't know why the when it storms, why the water backs up. Well, perfect example. It's like people just dump their trash here. And here's the thing. Where we're at right now, it's 100 pesos a month to pick up garbage. 100 pesos. Our other place was 200 pesos, and guy never came. Then he tried to double dip us. This lot here on the left, our landlord owns this lot, and she's putting a house in there. We were in there, we looked at it. It's maybe a quarter of the way done yet, but that's another property she owns. Wow, that's another nice home right here. Look at this. It's flooded down through there, huh, Lut?
Yeah.
That's flooded.
Well, could you walk there?
You can't walk through there. I mean, there's a drain.
Yeah, but I think the drain can drain no more because
Yeah.
of the trash.
But our street we're on, no problem. No problem at all. No flooding. Of course, the water comes up, but it drains out quick enough. It's kind of weird back in here. You have really nice homes, and then you have homes that you can tell they were dated. Maybe they were here before you know, before people started buying. There's a balut guy. Like I said, people, vendors and stuff make their way through here. They make their way through here every day. I hear the ice cream guy. Right there's the ice cream guy. That's the ice cream guy. Where's this market that you were talking about? I will walk up to this market. Another really nice home. It's not open? Morning only?
Tomorrow they have that afternoon.
Of course, you got the basketball court. Every community has to have a basketball court. It's funny because the basketball courts are some of the nicest buildings around. They lights inside and roofs on them, and are always some of the nicest buildings here.
Over here is the market.
They have a market here usually? Tomorrow. They usually have a market here. Look, says tomorrow. I will walk up this way. We'll walk up this way. Another home. It's like green stuff growing. Some kind of grass. Thing is, you do see barbed wire in here like around our place and stuff, but they're not heavily fortified. I've seen areas where everything is just heavily fortified. There's a little park over there. Community park. Picnic tables. There's another really nice home there. Road does go down here to the left, right? Look, it does go to the left, right?
Yeah.
These things blew over. Sorry, store.
When you want to go outside, you have also gate to the street.
I don't see a road that goes down here to the left.
How?
Where?
Oh, the other side.
Sorry, store. Oh, alright. We'll take this cut through here. Take a little shortcut, it looks like. Huh?
The brown below is kind of...
It's a motorcycle shortcut, I guess. There's the blue guy again. That's nice. Looks like they're cleaning it up. I'll show you this house here on the left.
Still building it.
Building it. House and lot for sale. There it is. That's a big home. House and lot for sale. I hear a rooster. The rooster's out in the distance. What are you looking at, bud?
The house.
A house. Two-story, big home. Another empty lot. You can see out there in the distance, it's dark. That was a pretty good storm that came through. Malunggay tree. Plenty of malunggay trees around here for to pick. Nice breeze right now. I hear a puppy. I'll show you this one house. They really have it fortified.
No, that's in the other.
They got electric fence and everything around it. I don't know what that is on there.
A light pole.
Kind of look like
CCTV.
nah, it looks like those little lights you plant or your little lights you put in the ground, and they little solar light.
Shower.
Solar light.
Oh, solar.
Yeah. It's quiet. No loud motorcycles flying up and down the road. There's like hardly any speed bumps here too.
That's the one I said.
Oh yeah, those things.
Yeah, you can trim that out. I can trim that out. If you just like wants to be in the meadow.
Those red things?
Yeah.
There's a pool in that backyard. I just seen it.
Yeah.
Nice big pool.
Maybe we should knock them.
Yeah. Those trees are cool looking. I don't know what they are. They're kind of cool looking.
I need to cut this one.
Here's a nice home. That's really nice. I like that.
I think it's swimming pool.
Huh?
I think this is swimming pool.
Swimming pool?
Yeah.
It's the thing, you don't know what's inside because everything is fortified. I know people have said, I could never live like that. I'd feel like I'm in a fort. I feel like I'm in a jail. That's just the way it is here. You're not going to change it. It's like a green 2-story.
2 stories, really nice.
Yeah.
That's not for me. I'm just not a big fan.
I prefer 1 floor. I mean, you get what you get. You take what you can take. These are apartments. They're okay. They don't have a.
Seems like big.
They don't have a, what do you call it? A carport roof. This is a nice home right here. Hello. That's a nice. That looks somebody's in there.
There are a lot of people.
There's another nice big home here. Big car entrance. Nice big carport inside.
That one's cool. That one's just in.
Hello. Here they're building a home.
Oh, this is cool.
New home going up there. Like we were told that, I said earlier in the video, lots are fairly cheap in this area. For now. That can change. This road's about the busiest road. We're on this road and it's not that busy. Couple dogs in there. This house here on the corner, this right here directly in front of you, they got electric lines going around. Whether or not it's up and running, I don't know. They got cameras, CCTV cameras and everything. Whether that electric line is working, I don't know. I'm not going to jump up there and find out. But they put electric up there. It says warning, electricity.
Then how could you claim that?
You can't. Well, you would have to shut it off. Here's another corner lot. There's an empty lot. It's a nice little home right here. Yeah, they got that really nice. Nicely decorated. Right here is the trike line. This is a trike line right here. There's a couple of them. This is the one we would use if we would need. Yeah, this home here is kind of here. Random rooster, random chicken walking around in the street. Which one? Hello. Another nice home. I don't know what's behind that wall. Maybe a swimming pool. Who knows? Could be.
You want to check? Knock their door.
I could look through the gate.
There's like a yard.
It's a big yard back there.
Oh,
I can see big yard.
I don't even see
And that's it. That's it, guys. Just kind of did like a big loop, a big walk around. There's a lot going on here. There's a lot more to check out, but figured we'd head out and take a little walk around the neighborhood, do a little block walk so you can see. Like I said, nice area, quiet area. You guys seen it. Not much traffic. But anyways, once again, happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July, everyone.